Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and then all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites in my case, so I do not have a lot of them saved. Basically, if you want, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but if in your case this list is too long to do that manually and you want to remove some advanced sections of the browser, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options, and in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that this is marked, and you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, up to you of course. Simply tap on clear data if you're ready, and as you can see the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.